If you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, processor, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update Origin. Make sure that your Origin client is up to date. Open Origin, go to the menu, and select Application Settings. Look for updates and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version. Step 3. Clear cache files. Clear the cache files in Origin. Close Origin, then navigate to the Origin cache folder usually found in /program data /origin. Delete the cache folder and restart Origin to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Repair game. In the Origin client, go to your game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall The Sims 4. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. Make sure to back up your saved games before uninstalling to avoid losing any progress. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop error and enjoy playing The Sims 4 again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.